Hello, my name is MD Edison. I'm a blogger and a website designer. Today I want to teach you how to download large YouTube videos in smaller size. Sometimes you might want to download a video on YouTube, but the size of the video is very big and your data subscription is not even up to the size of the video. Some videos on YouTube can be as high as 500 megabytes or 1 gig. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to download any YouTube video in different sizes. Stay tuned. If you want to download a large size YouTube video in smaller size, simply copy the link of the video, then go to a website called y2mate.com. y2mate.com. You paste the link you copied inside this box. Then, as you can see, the video is in different sizes depending on what you want. So if you want to download this video as a small size video, you download, and if you want to download the HD version, and remember, the bigger the size, the higher the resolution. So it all depends on what you want to do with the video. And on this site, the video is also available to download as MP3 or as audio. So you can do this with any other video on YouTube. Even if the video is up to 1 gig in size, you can still download it in smaller size. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Edison TV. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at Edison News. Chat me up on WhatsApp 081 36 125 128. See you in the next video.